Question number 26. A string is placed between a vibration generator and a fixed point. Okay, Melter's experiment. When the vibrating generator is vibrating at a frequency f, a stationary wave with 5 notes is created on the session string as shown. With 5 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, question is the same as shown in the figure. There's a node at the end of the string that is attached to a vibration generator. Okay. The frequency of the vibration generator is slowly increasing. You are increasing this. And as a result of it, what is the next frequency that produces a stationary wave on the string? Okay. Now, when you have 4 nodes over here, then what is the frequency of this? This will be wavelength of this one. The distance between these two loops, between 2 nodes, is lambda by 2. One loop, second loop, third loop, fourth loop. 4 loops are there. So 4 into lambda by 2 should be equal to L, or lambda should be equal to L. So this is a 2 2s, or lambda should be equal to L by 2, right? So this is what we have, and thus the frequency is equal to V by lambda, which should now be equal to V divided by L by 2, which is equal to 2V by L. This is your fundamental frequency. Okay, we already know this. Now suppose instead of this, if there was a fifth node or fifth loop also, that's what it says. What is the next frequency? What's the next frequency that produces a stationary wave? When you say next frequency, what should you have? You are going to add one more loop over here. It means what you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. I have to put all of them to be of equal size. Okay. So as a result of it, you get 5 loops over here. If there are 5 loops, then what will happen? 5 times lambda by 2 will be equal to L. I am applying the same logic over here. Okay. 5 times lambda by 2. I will write it down once again. Okay, 5 times lambda by 2 is equal to L, or in other words, lambda should be equal to 2L by 5, right? And thus frequency will be equal to V by lambda, which should be equal to V by 2L by 5, V by 2L by 5, and when I simplify this, I get the answer as 5V by 2L, which can be written as 4V by 2L plus V by 2L, right? 5V is 4V plus V. I can write like this, which once again can be written as 2 1s are 2 2s are, which will be 2V by L plus V by 2L. Some of them it might be seem to be very much obvious. Why are you doing so much? But for those who do not get to know about how to do this, so this is an elongated procedure. Okay, so 2V by L. What is 2V by L? 2V by L is F. And what is V by 2L? V by 2L. See, if 2V by L is F over here, then this should be F by 4, right? If you want, I can write it down here. I can make a note of this here. V by 2V by L, 2V by L, 2V by L is equal to F. V by L is equal to F by 2. V by 2L is equal to F by 4, right? That's what I have written here. So which should be 1.25 times F, because F by 4 is 0.25. 0.25 plus 1 is 1.25 F. So the answer is A.